Today is Tuesday, 7th of July 2026, and it's Guruji's birthday. It's such a divine day, and I woke up, I felt so amazing. I cannot explain, but it is such an unfortunate that I cannot visit Bade Mandir today because of my work. Just make this day a little bit more special. So I'm thinking that I should bake a cake, like a mini cake or something. Obviously, my mom is going to visit. She must be visiting right now as I speak here. So I'm just gonna take an easy road to bake yum delicious cake. I want to stop by somewhere and check out one gym because I have been thinking about gym a lot, and the place where I'm going right now, the gym is just right above it, and I think it will be like, it is a good opportunity for me to go there and check them out. The weather is nice though. It is not very bland and not very hot. No sun running down here. I think I'm really loving it, but let's see. I love it, the vibe and the theme, and everything is like screaming me. So yeah, I think I might consider it. I'm a bit nervous, to be very honest. A nice shower, like a quickest one, and then let me quickly show it to you what I got. First of all, I got a milk which is already in fridge, and then I got this Amul fresh cream. What is pasta without a cream, right? So I just got junk and junk and junk. Little hearts. Got 4 Oreos. Been raining all day, and honestly I feel like I have always been the blessed child. My mom and dad just stopped by and gave me the Guruji ka prasad. I'm still working and it is still raining all day. I got few things from Mr. DIY. I generally love fall because you have so many things to do, and for fall, like yes, it doesn't even started yet, but I got this little diary, a little plate. Finally, I logged off. It was such a long day. I thought मुझे बीच में time मिल जाएगा, but I didn't get any time, like not even for 5 minutes. It is like post 10 p.m. I thought that I would get dressed, I would get ready, do something, put a little bit of effort, but it's okay. What is important for me right now, it's 10, and I should make the cake right now before it's 12. Honestly, I was supposed to make the cake yesterday at midnight, but it's okay. Effort counts, and I'm so excited.